Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, I will teach you how to make final dataset preparation before training YOLO version 5. Preparing your dataset correctly is a crucial step before training your YOLO 5 model. This guide will walk you through structuring your dataset folder, creating necessary configuration files, and ensuring your images and labels are correctly organized for training and validation. This is the outline of this short guide. And we'll start by structuring the folder. We'll move the folder frames inside this folder YOLO, and once we remove it inside, we'll give it a new name that's meaningful for this project, Dataset 1. Dataset 1 because there might be other datasets in the future. So let's start by moving the folder frames that you know from the previous steps. Before I issue this command, let's check what's inside here. We still have this folder frames, and we can check what's inside by tree frames command. It has a mixture of text and images, that's images and labels. It has all that. It even has a classes.txt. So let's move it by that command. It's considered done. Let's check. Because it was moving, it's no more here. Let's check inside YOLO 5. It's there. Let's check what it has. Well, that's the right folder that we moved and renamed. So this is considered successful. So let's do the next step. We are targeting to have this structure, the structure or that tree. So to do that, there is a code that will help us. This is the straightforward code that I won't talk much about. You will have time to go through it. It's similar to code we already used in previous videos. So I copy it. What do you have now? I already have this code, but you don't. ISO code. If you want, I can empty this file and copy afresh. We have now pasted. Now copy the code. I will save and run the code to give dataset 1 a new structure. The code run successfully. So let's see the result. Let's go inside YOLO. Let's move inside the ascend one. Let's try to ls and let's try to go inside images. Let's try to ls. Okay, and let's go back. Let's go inside. Let's more navigate inside the labels. Let's check what we have. It seems everything's correct. And let's check the content of classes if it has all the classes. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It has 13 classes. That's correct. It's the number of plates that I identified. It corresponds to 13 classes. So now with this we can create a YAML file. Let's check if we don't already have it. Yeah, I have it here, but we need to create YAML for you who don't have. You have it. You don't already have it. You don't have it yet. You can create it using the data of your choice. This is it. And it corresponds to what you have here, except that it's here dataset instead of dataset 1. So I am correcting it for the future reference. So as you can see, we are looking for images, and there are images. He said images, dataset 1 images trend, dataset 1 images file for validation, and this is a list of classes. The order here is the same order class, the text. file. So yeah, we now well set. Let's check for any missing file. Let's check any missing file. So no match is found means every image is matching to its label. So dear viewers, we are well set. We can now leave this here, and in the next video we'll do the training because the preparation is well done now. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.